So rosacea is a chronic inflammatory skin disorder that primarily affects the face, and it typically presents with persistent redness, visibly dilated blood vessels, barrier impairment and skin sensitivity, and then sometimes can actually even look like acne. People who suffer from rosacea often have sensitivity of the eyes, and in end stages can have quite severe manifestations of a really enlarged red nose. While the exact cause of rosacea is not well understood, it's thought to be as a result of a multifactorial etiology of genetic factors, environmental factors, immune factors, as well as vascular issues. Part of one of the big drivers of rosacea is a microbiome disbalance in that there's an overgrowth of the Demodex mite on the skin. This is tricky because rosacea is then often perceived as a skin health or a dirty issue, whereas actually it is just a normal variation of your skin microbiome, and this complex interplay of a genetic predisposition, perfect environmental factors that result in this overgrowth of a microbiome, and then a hyperreactivity of your skin to this perfect storm. While we often don't know the cause, we focus a lot on precipitating or environmental factors that commonly are causing triggers of rosacea. And this really can be thought of at anything that increases the blood flow to your midface. So exercise, stress, sun exposure, hot or spicy foods, being in a hot environment, flushing, stress or anxiety. So the key takeaway is that rosacea is not caused by poor hygiene. It's not contagious. It's a complex condition which is chronic, influenced by genetic, immune, and environmental factors. And because we can't get down to the cause, it can't be cured, so we need to control it. And skincare is a really important way of controlling or managing your rosacea in the periods of maintenance as well as flares. And our Rosaceaplex with Skin Functional is a great way of managing your rosacea. So Rosaceaplex is a soothing anti-inflammatory serum moisturizer that's designed to reduce redness, calm irritation, and strengthen the skin's barrier. And this is done through a combination of Borrelia serrata, tea, and then tetrapeptide 14, which has got vasoprotective effects. And 25% of people who have used Rosaceaplex actually found a reduction in redness on their skin within 3 weeks. So Rosaceaplex is ideal for individuals with sensitive skin or rosacea-prone skin that's prone to irritation. But it really can be used by anyone who has barrier impairments or compromise, whether that be post-exercise, post-treatment, or just with seasonal variability. So apply Rosaceaplex in the mornings, after your serums, after your resveratrol serum, before your sunscreen, and in the evening as your last step, either after your serums or after your topical prescription treatments. Its lightweight formulation makes it ideal for layering in your skincare and really should be used morning and evening to achieve the benefit in terms of skin regulation. So yes, Rosaceaplex can be combined with other skincare products and is ideally formulated for combination. But make sure to avoid using any other products which may be irritating or stripping your barrier, especially if you have got sensitive skin. Rosaceaplex stands out due to its unique delivery system. It combines a redness-reducing inflammatory peptide and antioxidant properties of tea, as well as the calming properties of Boswellia serrata. There are high concentrations of ecotone, which is a potent barrier enhancer, and then tripeptide 14 is a specific peptide sequence that is used to alleviate the redness associated with rosacea by down-regulating interleukin 6 to prevent inflammation, which in turn reduces matrix metalloproteinase 1 damage, and the net effect is a brighter, more even skin appearance. Through our research, we found that 67% of participants experienced a reduction in skin sensitivity, while 63% experienced a reduction in redness, specifically around the nostrils, where we see a lot of rosacea manifesting, and 54% reported a reduction in skin discomfort. 36% of participants reported a reduction in redness after just 3 weeks of use. Of course, Rosaceaplex is suitable for long-term use. Its gentle formulation makes it ideal for daily application. And remembering that rosacea or sensitive skin is often a chronic condition, we really want to have good working molecules applied daily, regularly, because remember that we're only going to see benefit with consistent skincare. It's important to remember though that consistent skincare, if you're not getting a result, to see a dermatologist to make sure that your diagnosis is correct.